Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, believe it or not, but Bitcoin just hit 50,000, let me repeat that, 50,000 US dollars on all exchanges. I just checked it. I was in a restaurant. I literally went home through the rain of the jungle. I just dried myself here in the bathroom, and I am coming to you right now in the moment where it's necessary. The most important question right now is, of course, are we going to get a blow off top at this very important psychological area, or is Bitcoin going to eventually, finally break out of this rising wedge here to the upside to a very specific price target I am going to mention here in this video. I will show you all my trades on Bitcoin, but more importantly, if we are getting this breakout here, where to open the trade, where to close the trade. I want to talk about all of that, and I wanted to urge you guys, it is exciting times, but please stay calm, don't freak out, and let's look at the charts and see exactly what we should do here as a sophisticated trader. Let me go here straight into the charts and show you what I am seeing in the Bitcoin price right now. And also, guys, remember down below, if you want to give back, if you want to give get a $1,200 bonus in the pinned comment down below, just click it. You make your own account and you get, after your initial deposit, a big bonus for your own trading if you are an experienced trader. Let me go here the charts and determine with you what is actually happening for the Bitcoin price. What you can see here is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, and I have a lot of very good news for you and a few bad news, but a lot of good news, guys, don't get me wrong. So we are here on the 4-hourly candles, and as you remember in the previous video, I was redrawing these lines here, connecting the bodies, which meant that we are still in, that yesterday was a fake out. Actually, I told you, don't trade it, don't short this one here. And as you can see, well, right now we are not only back in the triangle, but Bitcoin was just a few seconds ago here testing the upper side, even going, let me show you this, look on the right hand side, to 50,000 US dollars. And right now we want to determine, are we going to break out towards the upside or towards the downside? Well, we need a 4-hourly candle close above. If you are only waiting for the hourly, something like this could happen. So what we are looking out for right now, and stick with me, bear with me here until the very end, is a 4-hourly candle close above. We will check the volume just in a second. We need volume support, a rejection down. We need to confirm this 50,000 US dollar level, retest it as new support, and then we need this volume supported bounce towards the upside. The moment I am going to open my next trade here is when we are getting rejected and going above the previous rejection point. We at MMCrypto, we are not getting involved in fake outs. We are sophisticated and also cautious trader, guys, and I want to urge you not to rush here into a massive long trade before we are not seeing these big signals. My price target is actually, with these confirmation signals, still 54,000 US dollars. At 51 you can take your first small profits out, maybe your initial, but then at 54,000 US dollars, this is my major profit taking area. It is in confluence with many different indicators I was mentioning throughout the last few days and weeks. And well, of course, guys, you know we have another price target at 61,000, but let's talk about that when the time actually comes. So as you can see, time to get excited, 50,000, but not time to get overexcited. We need these confirmations. This is the main purpose of this video. Crazy things are happening for Bitcoin right now. Let me quickly go back, and you can see here how the room service closed the blinds. It's massive jungle rain outside, but I thought, well, you have to go back, you have to make this video, because in the restaurant the music was just way too loud, and I wanted to make sure that you are not getting involved in a fake out, and of course that you know, in case this is not a fake out, where to open, where to close. So this is our game plan right now, and you remember the price target to the downside. Of course, I showed it to you in the last video. Make sure you watch it. You just go to the channel and you check it out. But very important here, guys, give me this feedback before I go into my trades, into my up and coming trades, and to my current trades. Give me this feedback, please, guys. I mean, I was running through the rain. I'm doing it also without likes, but if you could give me this small little like button, if you scroll down and you make this button turn blue, you also subscribe to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the MMCrypto family, the most profitable community in the world. You press the bell, you press on all, and you are subscribed to this channel, and you make sure that you get these notifications in the moment I am pushing them out to you. Let me go here straight into the Twitter profile before I go into the specific trades I am hoping. I was posting this here, I'm a Bitcoin hippie with the hippie outfit, but the most important thing was earlier, I was telling you, yes, we are still in the rising wedge. People were calling a dump, people were calling a breakdown. Well, we are still in. This is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. We are cautious and we are waiting for the confirmation signs. Then I was telling you, later on, Bitcoin will break out within 24 hours. And I stick to my words. Now within 22 hours, we are going to break out. And right now it seems like the higher likelihood is towards the upside with a $54,000 price target. But for the shorters, I was still telling you, the bearish price target is the bottom of the wedge, which would be in this case $42,861. As you do remember, let me quickly go back here and show you my trades. I have my trades open. This one here on Phemex right now racking in 1.6 million US dollars. And yes, you see, I am putting my money where my mouth is. I am not taking any profits here yet, but I will very soon. I told you my price targets. Let me go over to my Bybit trade, because I also have a trade open over on Bybit, and my trade over on Bybit is right now, let me quickly check here. Yeah, approximately 10 Bitcoin in profits, so 450,000 US dollars in profits for this specific trade. Let me quickly go back here. And it was for sure, certainly a very, very short one. I will be coming tomorrow live to you here with DaVinci J15 and with another additional video here. So make sure you are subscribed. You know I am here for you in the moments it's necessary. I will always be here for you. I will always be pushing this content towards you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching until the very end, smashing up the like button and all the good stuff. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.